Ngokusho kwamaphoyisa lo mkhankaso wokulwa nobugebengu eGauteng ube impumelelo njengoba usuholele ekuboshweni kwabasolwa abangaphezulu kwe1,000 ebebefunelwa amacala ahlukahlukene okubalwa kuwo ukushushumbisa izidakamizwa, udlame oluyamene nobulili kanye nabokufika abakuleli ngokungemthetho.
The whole province, since Thursday up to date, we managed to arrest 1,752 suspects, of which 17 of them were for murder, 7 were attempted murder, 15 were for kidnappings. We have a very serious problem of kidnappings that is rife nowadays. We managed to arrest 15 people. We managed to arrest 10 for rape, 4 for sexual assault, and 190 out of that 1,752. 190 is those direct crimes against women and children and domestic violence.
Yiphini likakhomishana wamaphoyisa lithi sesibuyele esimeni esijwayelekile isimo endaweni yaseSporong ebibhekene nobugebengu obunodlame obuhambisana nokumbiwa kwegolide ngokungemthetho. Ngomasingana abahlali kuphoqa ukuthi bashiye amakhaya abo mayobhaca ehholo lomphakathi ngenxa yobugebengu nokusatshiswa ngozamazama.
Since then, immediately we managed to recover and recoup the space. The community went back to their houses, and since that time up to date there were only 2 incidences. One was assault, domestic violence related, where people fought within their own house and we managed to arrest that suspect. And the other one was assault common, that we managed to take a warning statement. The person, the docket is taken to court for decision. But since then, there were no any other serious incident in Sporong specifically.
Amaphoyisa athi Operation Shanela izoqhubeka ukulwa nobugebengu ezindaweni ezahlukene.